This mistake nearly ended my online business. Let's talk about it. If you're a parent trying to build a passive income or you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, you need to hear what I'm about to share because I wish someone would have told me when I began my business. We'll go back to 2022 when I was pumped and fired up and I found a copy and paste affiliate system that promised I could start making money online right away. Sound familiar? Have you seen one of these? Well, within 48 hours, I had ads running, funnels launched, all the bells and whistles for an affiliate marketing business to be successful. And within 48 hours, my ad accounts were banned. Every one of them. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even Google flagged my pages. All gone. And guess what? They're still restricted to this very day. That was the price of trusting the wrong system and really the wrong person. Now, listen, I'm not here to bash anyone, but what I'm going to do is tell the truth about what's really going on in the affiliate marketing space, especially for parents and working folks trying to build real passive income online. This is the stuff that no one ever talks about. The stuff the $7 done for you programs just gloss over. The stuff that nearly wrecked what I was trying to build. You see, we're sold a fantasy. Start now, copy this, run these ads, and watch the money flow in. But nobody tells you how to actually build an online business. Nobody tells you about warming up your social media profiles. Nobody teaches you about trust building or audience creation. Nobody prepares you for the platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and how sensitive they are to affiliate links when your account is brand new. They're just going to tell you, go. It's an easy system. And when it doesn't work, well, you blame yourself. You think maybe you're not cut out for this. But here's the truth. You didn't fail. The system failed you. And unfortunately, it happens all the time. Look, if I could go back, I wouldn't touch those instant income programs, not a single one of them. But instead, I would have spent more time doing things like researching the model, finding a real mentor, and focusing on long-term systems instead of short-term dopamine. And this is where I want to drop a little golden nugget just for you, because the biggest shift in my affiliate journey came from finding the right mentor. Now, we're going to circle back to that in a little bit, so just stay with me through the whole video. Okay, let me be real for just a second. My first sponsor, the one who sold me that plug and play system, well, they completely ghosted me with no training, no support, and no clue of what I was doing. They had their commission and that was it. And I thought, is this what affiliate marketing is really like? Really? Now, fast forward to today, and here's what I do know to be true. The right mentor changes everything for you in this space. A mentor doesn't just hand you a product and say, good luck. A mentor coaches you, and a mentor guides you, sets clear expectations for you, and helps you build habits. And most importantly, a good mentor, well, they show up when you need them. And that's where I give credit to someone who completely turned things around for me. And that's Randy, the founder of Creatory AI and the AI and Automation Academy. Randy's my mentor. Randy didn't just rebuild my confidence in this space, but he rebuilt my process. Randy helped me understand that building passive income, well, it takes systems and strategies and clear messaging, not just hype. And that's when I realized this is the kind of mentor that I want to be. In fact, I'm going to link his stuff in the comments because it's worth checking out. Take a look at Randy and see what kind of a mentor I'm talking about. Now, let's talk about some of the lessons I've learned that I wish I had known back in 2022 when I started, because if you're in that early phase, this is going to save you months and months of stress. Lesson number one, warm up your socials. Don't just drop affiliate links day one. Start with value, tips, stories, and questions. Make your audience lean in before you start pitching them anything. Lesson number 2, build a real audience first. I didn't do this early on. In fact, I just focused on selling instead of serving. Now I focus on building trust, and that has made all the difference. And lesson number 3, your email list, it's an asset. Start collecting emails as soon as you can. Even if it's just 10 people at first, that's your list. That's your audience that no one can take away from you. It is gold. The internet is flooded with affiliate marketing advice, but here's what I've seen work time and time again in my experience. You batch your content. You stay consistent even if it's just one piece a week. And you pick one product to promote at one time. Track your results, write everything down, and adjust weekly from those results. This is how passive income gets built, not with noise, but with focus. Now, let me pause here real quick and just say, if you're getting value from this, just tap that subscribe button for me. It helps build the channel. We're just getting started on this channel, and I need your help for that. Everything I share is from real experience, and it's not theory. Now, back to the gold. If you want to know how to really win in affiliate marketing, you need someone in your corner, someone who's where you want to be, someone who can say, hey, don't step there. I already did, and it's not good. That's mentorship. That's what I got and get from Randy. That's what I offer inside D Squared Marketplace, a mentorship program for you to build your online business. And no, there's no crazy pitch coming in this video. This is just me saying, if you're tired of going it alone, well, you don't have to anymore. Look, I wanted to go off script for just a minute because I wanted to pause at this point of the video to talk to you a little bit about the reality of affiliate marketing, passive income. My dad used to say, if it sounds too good to be true, chances are pretty good it is. Affiliate marketing, the way it's sold and presented online, seems too good to be true. But the actual essence of affiliate marketing is a valid online business that you can actually participate in. What would you rather do? If you're looking for extra income, would you rather take more time out of your day? You're already tired from work. Would you want to go get a part-time job after working your full-time job? You're away from your home, you're away from your family, you're away from your pets for even longer to work at a part-time job, doing whatever, or building an actual affiliate marketing business. Now, the basis of affiliate marketing, we do each and every day. We just don't get paid for it. For example, hey, did you see that new movie? You should go check out that new movie starring Harrison Ford. And based on your recommendation, they go and see that movie. Now, some companies already do this in the form of suggest this massage therapist to your friends when they come in, your next massage, a 10% discount for recommending us. That's really all affiliate marketing is. It's just on a bigger scale because you have the opportunity then to create passive income by having a designed for you affiliate link that every time somebody purchases something from that link, then you're going to get paid a commission for that. That is the exact same as recommendation, right? Whether it be a restaurant, a movie, a massage, whatever. It's the exact same concept. We're just taking it and putting it on steroids a little bit and using and utilizing the internet, social media, and all of these different techniques and platforms to create a legitimate online business for you. You can either have an affiliate marketing business, you can have a service industry-based business and get paid for it, which will keep you at home because you can work at it at nights, you can work at it on the weekends, you can work at it on your lunch break. It's available for you to do it. So I just wanted to come off script and just say, yes, you were right thinking that this is a way to make money online and it's legitimate and it can work. But just like me, maybe you were sold about the concept wrong the first go around. All right, let's get back to the video. I really want to thank you for sticking around. I don't take your time lightly. If this hit home, drop a like, hit follow, and check the comments for links to Randy and Creatory AI Pro. And if you need a mentor, you know where to find me. Just drop mentor in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video.